Hi guys, today we'll be playing, what was this game called again?
Brookhaven.
Brookhaven!
What the heck is this, bro? What am I doing to myself? What am I doing to myself, bro?
And then today I'll be testing out, I'll be testing
I'm
out
gonna do
this shit.
R6 animation.
Oh my god, that's so
so
cute.
good, bro.
That's so cute, ain't I?
Does my head look crooked or what the heck is wrong with my head?
Oh, it kind of look crooked. I don't know why you asking me that, but I don't know. I don't know how.
Secretary from Animal Hospital. Shut the hell up.
That's so rude to say to a little child.
You're a little child, my guy.
Oh shit, I can't even run. Help me, this shit's too heavy.
Yeah, that's
I can't run. I can't run. I can't run. I can't run.
I think I know what's wrong with me. My skin, bro.
What about me? What's wrong with me?
Nothing's wrong with you.
I can't even run without wearing something. I want to look cute.
I think I want to change this suit, bro. It's so
I
ugly.
want to look cute. What
does his
wow.
shirt look like, Gabby?
Look at me.
Oh, I see it now.
It's not a fishy, by the way. It's like there.
I can see about my little guy. You got the same boots as me.
Hey, you fucking bitch. What up, like me? Me too, right?
Yeah, you too.
Why are we all different color?
I don't really know, to be honest.
You, Ron, and
I'm
me.
gonna save this.
I'm so beautiful.
I'm gonna save it this one because it's a maid costume.
A maid costume? You know I'm recording, right?
Secretary. Alright. Oh my god, bro. It blew me out.
What the?
Then we put in a goddamn maid costume in one of my... Secretary.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Alright, now I need to fix it here. Look. Look, now I need to fix it here. I'm making some weird outfits, right?
Okay, what about me though? Look at me. I'm
It's
so
beautiful.
beautiful. Oh, shit. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, turn a tiny bit.
It's so beautiful.
Okay, we put this right here. We turn. Oh shit.
I love Ron. It says that. I forgot about my tail. And this goddamn keychain, bro.
So beautiful. Oh, there's a random guy outside our house. A random guy outside our house.
What the hell is this?
Banana.
I'm over the door to ban him.
Blowers.
I ban him.
Blowers.
So beautiful.
If we go outside.
Daddy, you're so tiny. Hey, don't make fun of her.
Hey, didn't you call me fat while?
Why are you walking the baby? Shut up. I'm free. Ew. Shut up, bro. Why are you writing that? Shut up.
Yo, you
I
guys.
make my decisions.
Yo, what are you guys doing, bro?
Fighting.
Why you guys keep fighting, bro? I'm recording a video. I'm trying not to get angry. I can barely walk.
I just realized I have bags under my eyes.
I don't have any bags under my eyes. I'm just perfect.
You're ugly.
You know I'm leaving.
Wait, who should I cosplay as next?
I don't know.
You still recording? Yeah. I'm guessing that's yes. Okay.
Let me see. What have you now? Security. What the fuck are you?
Oh, sorry. I wear that by accident. I'll wear that for now.
Okay. I can barely walk. I have to jump.
What's it called again? Security? Security from Animal Hospital.
Oh. That's where I'm gonna fall. Oh. Why do I always fall? Look at me. I'm so beautiful too.
Alright, I got the correct set right. Stop!
You made me stop by falling. Wait, actually, watch. Watch.
It looks so nice.
Oh. I feel so beautiful. Ooh. Why are you giggling? What the hell? You need to get rid of all your other stuff too. Ooh. What are you giggling about? There's nothing funny. What's funny? What's funny? What's funny? What? Why are you giggling so much? What did I do wrong? Oh, I did a backflip. Oh, it's so beautiful. Ah! Help me! Help me! Help me! I can't run. Help! Help me! Help! Help me!
Wait, what kind of grade is this supposed to be?
Can you help me, bro? Bruh! Can you help me? I'm dying right here.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah.
That happens to me when I'm tiny.
Yeah, bro, I swear, bro. I get stuck upside down.
I'm horrifying, bro. I'm so horrifying right now. I'm lagging. Oh,
You remember I started... What is this, bro? What is this? Oh my goodness, I need to take a picture.
I just reconnect.
Oh! I'm leaving this house.
Yeah, I don't care if I'm welcoming back to Brookhaven, bro.
Hey, welcome back to Brookhaven. It's time for your autograph.
Be quiet, Luna. You're not allowed to speak. I forgot I had the wrong things.
Oh, my neck.
I look so stupid, bro. That's mad crazy. Bro, look! I have two Cupid, and if I don't want Cupid, I'm on fire. Okay.
No, but
I want to buy you.
Hi guys, today it's me.
Luna made a... Oh my god.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna be dressing up as a worker of mine. Oh,
Security.
That's so beautiful.
Right.
That's so beautiful.
Bro, they didn't need add an S.
Beautiful.
Security.
Security.
Finally. Getting a house.
Please help me.
Teleport to my house.
What's your house? I'm broke. I'm coming. I'm trying to come.
Oh, I locked my door on myself.
Help
That's
me.
sad.
Please help me.
There's fairies around me.
Help. 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 Oh, never mind. I just had to delete something off of me. Oh!
Bro, just Della. You still recording?
Yeah. I'm watching myself flop every time I'm here.
Sorry.
I'm just slowly walking in.
Who else did I make? Secretary was easy. I forgot I made scraps. Wait. Sorry. I turned back into your baby.
My favorite. Ah!
I added this for him because he's cute.
I keep falling. As a secretary, I should not fail.
Bro, why am I acting like a little kid right now in game? My phone's so nice and cold, bro.
Let me feel it.
What does it feel like? Can I feel it?
It's not cold.
Did you really get burned, bro? It's not that cold.
Gabby, you're so little that you fall.
Okay.
Gabby, she called you ugly.
So
No,
rude.
I didn't. You look so little that you keep falling.
Ooh, she called you little. She called you ugly too.
No, I didn't. Splatter.
You called her ugly. How dare you?
This is so rude. This is so hurtful. I'm crying.
Hey, get away. You're mean to her. You made her cry.
Wow,
You called her super ugly.
The fuck? Ooh.
Was it small?
Ooh. I'm driving a car. Oh.
The fuck?
Ooh. Skirt. Skirt. I'm driving a car.
I want to show you my dance. My dance is so beautiful, bro. Oh my
I can't stop. Help! Look. Look.
Okay, stay like that. Gabby, stop moving.
I can't move.
Okay, go back to the stairs over here.
Wait, telling me to stop moving? Like right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're so little. Really driving a bumper?
Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Goodbye.
Bye.